everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update iOS 18.1. When updating your iPhone to the latest iOS 18.1, you may encounter an issue where the device gets stuck on the verifying update screen. This problem may make you frustrated. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading and verifying the iOS 18.1 update. Check your Wi-Fi connection. For this, go to settings, then choose Wi-Fi and then connect it to a stable internet connection, or you should enable the airplane mode for some time by tapping on its toggle button, then wait for some time and then tap on its toggle button again to disable it and connect to a stable internet connection, and you are done. The next step is clear storage space. Insufficient storage space can prevent the iOS 18 from being verified and installed. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Scroll down and see the unused apps. Tap on it and then choose offload app and then tap on offload again to confirm. And you should also delete unnecessary videos and photos from your phone to make some space, and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. Force restart can help resolve software glitches causing the verifying update issue. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Then a slider shows up. Then slide to power off, wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update iOS 18.1, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.